Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to give you another video. Yes, another video Charms Lifestyle bring to you. So guys, I'm here with another video to give to you today. This video will not be one that you're accustomed of getting. This one is with a little twist. This video is something that happened to me a few nights ago. Something unbelievable which I would love to share with you, and I would like your feedback, your opinion. I would like to hear from you what you think of this video. So I would love you so much to interact with me in the comment section. Okay? A few nights ago, I was here home, yes, and I wasn't feeling so well. I was feeling as if I was having an attack, asthma attack. Some of you might have known that I am an asthmatic patient, and yes, it comes around to the time now where I normally have that attack. Once the time is cold, that's not my best time of the year. So anyway, I was here and I wasn't feeling so well. So I called my friend on the phone. I called a friend on the phone, and we were having conversations, not really about how I am feeling, but yes, at the end I ended up telling her that I was not feeling 100% me, and I don't have medication. I have inhaler, but I don't have the tablets to work with the Ventolin inhaler, because I realized that the Ventolin inhaler does not work well without the tablets. So I only have four tablets. Yeah, so I told her that I was gonna take two of these tablets and use the inhaler. But then when I get up to go and take the tablets, I realized that it's only taken at night. It's for the morning and not for the night. So I couldn't take it. But anyway, I went ahead and used the inhaler, which did not do much for me. We were still on the phone, and until I start becoming sleepy. So I told her that I was getting a bit sleepy, so I think I'm gonna go to bed now. We bid each other good night, and even though it wasn't night for her, but yes, it was night for me, so I told her good night, and I get off the phone. Guys, I was up and moving about before getting in bed. After getting in the bed, guys, I don't know if I fell asleep. I don't know if I did not fall asleep. I don't know what time of the night it was. I just did not know. All I know is that while I was lying on the bed with my face turned to the entry to the house, I saw my mother. Yes, I saw my mother. You might not have known my mother died in 2018 while I was here. And that was the lady I saw coming to me with she was coming towards me at the bedside with a little blue capsule in her hand. I'm gonna show you how she holds this while approaching me. I'm just rolling up something here. Say, this is the capsule. She hold it like this while she approached me. And I could naturally see that it was indeed a blue capsule, the way she holded it. On reaching my bedside, she handed me the capsule and she says to me, "Take this and you will feel better." Guys, tell me, what do you think I did? I took the capsule. Why? Because it was my mother I saw. I took the capsule and I had a bottle of water at my bedside because I always have my water at my bedside with me at night. So after she gave me the capsule, she bent down and she take up the bottle of water and she opened it and she gave it to me to take the tablets. Guys, I don't know. Nothing after that took place. When I say I know nothing, me don't know nothing. Me don't know what happened next. Me don't know if she go right. Me don't know if she go left. Me don't know if she go west, east, north or south. I don't know. All I know is that I did not even get up that night to go and use the bathroom, which was very strange. I use the bathroom at least 3 times at night. I slept like a baby. When I woke up in the morning, sun was hot. Hot. Sun was hot on the outside when I woke up the morning. And not only that, guys, I didn't even feel like I was feeling sick in the night. I have no pain, none of that feeling like when you're having For persons who have asthma, will know how it feels, because you can feel when the attack is coming. You can feel it from your chest, especially when you inhale. You feel it go all the way down to your back. Yes. And guys, I had no such feeling. I had no such feeling of body aches. No form of pain whatsoever. No coughing. Nothing. Everything was gone. Everything was gone. Believe me. And from that time until this time, guys, I don't even cough. So tell me, I I I I I have always seen my mom in my sleep, but I am the one who go to Jamaica in my sleep and see her there. But this time, it's different. She came here. I didn't have to go. She came. So guys, I want you to tell me what you think. For me, this is a miracle for me. Does miracle still happen? Let me know in the comment section. Is this superstition? Let me know in the comment section. And let me tell you something. If this did not happen to me, if I hear it from somebody, maybe I would say nothing like that. But it happened to me. So I believe it is no superstition. It is for real. And you know what I prayed for? I only hope that this sickness goes for good and never come back. Yeah, so guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? I want to hear what you have to say, because even now, guys, I sit and think, can something be so clear and so real? I don't know what to think, because even now I am startled at it. But what can I do? It happened. And it's real. This is my miracle. Yeah? So, tell me what you think. I'm gonna end the video now because I start getting emotional. So, thank you for watching this video. And if you watch this video to the end, let me know what you think. I just need to know. I just need to hear what people would say about this. I don't know. I just want to know. Okay? I'm getting very emotional, guys. So, see you in my next video.